video, we'll tell you everything you need to know about Trust Wallet and how you can get started with it in just 5 minutes. Trust Wallet is a versatile software cryptocurrency wallet available both on mobile and as a desktop browser extension. You can use Trust Wallet to transact and store a variety of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and even NFTs. You can also interact with dApps through an open source browser directly via their mobile app. But first things first, here's how you can set up Trust Wallet on your Android or iOS smartphone. First, download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Make sure to double check that you're installing the legitimate version of the app. You can do this by getting a download link from the official website on trustwallet.com to be sure. Once you have installed the Trust Wallet app, open it, and you'll be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. For now, let's select Create a New Wallet. You'll then need to accept the terms and conditions. Then create a 6-digit passcode for you to access the app and approve transactions later on. Next, you'll be given some important reminders regarding your 12 to 24 word seed or recovery phrase, which will be shown to you. Next, after you're shown your seed phrase, it's highly advisable not to click on Copy or Store the passphrase in your device, but instead write down your seed phrase and keep it somewhere safe. In the next screen, you'll be asked to verify that you've noted down your secret phrase by arranging them in the correct order. You should always make sure to keep your recovery phrase in a safe place, as this is the only way to access your wallet and your funds should you lose access to your device or forget your password. And voila! You've just completed your wallet setup. That wasn't so hard, was it? Now, to start using the wallet, you'll need to get hold of some funds. You can either do this by purchasing crypto directly from the app or by transferring crypto from another wallet or exchange where your funds are. Let's first look at how you would purchase crypto directly on the app. On the home screen, you'll see the Buy button. Select the crypto you want to buy from the many options available, where you'll be quoted the best exchange rate from one of their several third-party providers. Click Buy, and you'll be redirected to a payment gateway where you can make your purchase via debit or credit card. Do note, though, that there is a $50 minimum purchase requirement, and there are typically higher fees involved when purchasing directly with your card. What about if you've already purchased crypto on a centralized exchange and want to transfer your funds into Trust Wallet instead? To self-custody your funds in Trust Wallet, click on Receive on the home screen. Select the desired crypto, and you'll be shown a QR code along with an address which you can send crypto to. If you use Binance or Coinbase to buy your crypto, that's good news for you, as Trust Wallet has additional integrations with these exchanges, which makes transferring funds even simpler. On the bottom of the Receive screen, you'll see Deposit from Exchange, which can initiate a direct transfer from your Binance or Coinbase account. Just select your exchange and follow the prompts. If you've used another exchange, don't worry, as the process will still be relatively simple. Copy the address from your Trust Wallet, log into your exchange account, navigate to the Withdrawal section, select the coin and amount you want to withdraw, then carefully paste the address on the exchange withdrawal page, or click on the square icon to scan the QR code on your Trust Wallet. Then, double-check the transaction details and confirm. Make sure that the address entered is correct, and that you have selected the right network for the crypto you're transferring. The next thing we'll go over briefly is how to install Trust Wallet's recently released browser extension, which you can use on your desktop to interact with dApps. Head over to Trust Wallet's official site and go over to the Browser Extension tab and click on Get Trust Wallet. You'll be directed to your browser app store where you can download the extension, which is available on many browsers such as Chrome, Brave, and Opera. And again, similar to the mobile wallet, you'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. You'll then need to set a password for the wallet and then follow a couple of additional steps before you're done with the wallet setup. Pretty simple. UI/UX-wise, it's very similar to other browser extension wallets. Trust Wallet has the added benefit of having popular chains like BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon added out of the box. Last but not least, you need to know how to import, export, or restore your Trust Wallet if you've lost or switched your device, or reinstalled your app for whatever reason. Importing your Trust browser extension wallet into your phone and vice versa will also follow similar steps. This is where your seed phrase is crucial, but make sure you're on the official apps and be wary of phishing attempts. If you've just installed the app, you can click on I already have a wallet straight away and follow the prompts from there. Otherwise, go to the settings page, select wallets, then tap on the plus button where you can do the same. Select multi-coin wallet, then key in your seed phrase here, and voila, you're done. If your funds are not being displayed correctly, you may simply have to click on Add Tokens and toggle on the desired crypto. A side note, on the off chance you need to view your seed phrase again, you can still do so while you still have access to your mobile or browser extension wallet. In the mobile app, head over to Settings, then go to Wallets and click on the ellipses next to the desired wallet. Then click on Show Secret Phrase, where you'll be prompted for your passcode to view it. You can also do the same on the browser extension. Click on Settings and View Secret Phrase. Keep it somewhere else safe this time. So to wrap up, Trust Wallet may be the choice for you if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, as well as versatility in exploring different blockchain networks as well as EVM chains. Looking for other options or wondering how Trust Wallet compares to the popular MetaMask wallet you've probably heard of? Check out our video on MetaMask versus Trust Wallet here.